Now we're inside of Guangdong's 5-star toy company's injection molding manufacturing facility. In this location, they have over 60 injection molding machines that's on a 24/7 operation to protect all the tools, all the parts that they need to make their toys. Now we're inside of Guangdong's 5-star toy company whack and mold product assembly line. Now you can see that they have a lot of these items that they're assembling right now that's very useful in the development of their product. This product will be exported a lot of places around the world, so it's very important that they properly assemble the products. They have so many different components that is involved with the assembly of these products, so the detailed work that is involved with this is very important. As part of the Certified Supplier program, China Toy and Juvenile Product Association put great emphasis on maintaining the quality and strict management system when it comes to developing the products of their service members. Now we're in Guangdong's 5-star toy company's showroom. And prior to going to showroom, you can see that this company has a lot of certification that they have met on the international market as well as domestic. They have the ISO 9001-2000, the ASTM F963, the EN 50088, EMC, EN71, as well as the ROHS certification. This company has been established for quite some time, and they have been providing quality products on the worldwide market, in such markets as European market, North American market, South American market, as well as the Middle East and Southeast Asia. They have some of the notable products that they carry, again, with their product brand, 5-star toys, Star Boys, and as well as Beijing Lin products. Again, they have a lot of products here. They have Learning Tree Fund products. They have a lot of products here for the carousel for babies, baby beds, and they have a phonic piano products. But today we're going to talk about two of their premier products, and I'm going to need Jeff, who is the head designer with the company, to explain these two particular products with us. Hey Jeff, how you doing today?
Hi, William.
Pleasure. Can you tell us a little about these two products that you have on display as your premier products?
Yeah, sure. So this is two of our newest products. Right here we have a hexagon play toys, and as you can see, each side has different function. And we have a pinball here, for example, and on top we have a different music button, like a piano here, and we have a drum here. So yeah, that's the hexagon playhouse toys. And
what about this particular toy right here? What is this one?
So this is our newest version of our whack-a-mole battles. And as you can see, unlike traditional whack-a-mole toys, this one has like a battle mode. So when you, so let's say I hit a speed here, so we can play one-on-one. So when each light out, you hit it.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. So you can see like the LED screen is like showing how many points you got. So it's a pretty fun game. We have like all this nice design, nice color on this product, and I really recommend this toy.
Okay, Jeff. We want to appreciate you taking the time out to show us your new products that you have coming on the market, and thank you again.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, now we're in Guangdong's 5-star toys company quality control department, where they're doing a lot of testing on certain items before they ship out in the market. One of the particular items that they test here is for the carton. This particular carton, this particular test, is based on European standards, but they also exceed those standards by 1 meter. European standards is like 98 centimeters, 96 centimeters, but here in this testing facility at a 5-star toy company, they exceed those standards, so make sure their product meet all international qualifications. And also here, what they have here is the anti-rust machine. This is to test to see if there's any rust in the products that they send out. So this machine is very useful in that capacity to test for rusting. This particular machine here has a constant temperature humidity machine that measures the temperature of the product, so it has to remain constant and make sure the product is very stable and useful in the global market. Now this machine here, even though it's not being operated now, it's a motion machine. This is allowed for them to When they ship a product by air, ocean, or by land, there's movement, and they want to make sure that the product is able to stay stable through all that movement. So this is very testing for that. This particular machine here, it tests the different types of motors that go into the toys. What type of testing, you ask? They do the RPM testing. So there are various type of motors that go into the toys that this RPM machine actually tests the rate and the speed and the durability of those type of toys. Again, we're inside the Quality Control Center of 5-Star Toy Company. We're now inside of Guangdong's 5-Star Toy Company's Design and R&D department. This is a very innovative company that has created a lot of products throughout the years. They specialize in certain aspects of OEM, ODM, and OBM when it comes to manufacturing. They provide superior design capabilities and resources that they can expand their products to the worldwide market. At present, 5-Star Toy Company has 2 dormitory buildings and 218 dormitories in total. Each dormitory room can accommodate 4 people and is equipped with independent bathrooms, internet, air conditioner. In addition, there's also a considered rest area for staff, which is equipped for drinking water, internet, express delivery center, and to ensure comfortableness and richness of staff's daily life. As part of the social responsibility when it comes to Certified Initiative with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, Guangdong 5-Star Toy Company always exceeds those expectations. Okay, we're here again with Jeff, and who's the head designer at Guangdong's 5-Star Toy Company. Jeff, I just have a couple of questions for you, okay? What is the future plans of 5-Star Toy Company?
So at this point, our future plan is to introduce our products to the whole world market through better branding and marketing strategy. So we have put in a lot of focus on how to design the best products, and we're trying to earn customers' trust through making the best products. So right now we hope that in the future, when customers buying our products, not because out of the appearance, but also out of their trust towards the 5-Star Company.
So with all that in mind, what do you look at as far as the important parts when you are developing your new products?
So we believe that different age groups have different needs when it comes to toys. So when we start designing a toys, we spend a lot of time learning how kids behave differently in their age group. By studying that, we are able to design better and safer products for them. And we have also set out 2 design departments in both Shenzhen and Shantou, so in order to design the best products for the kids.
Okay, y'all heard that from Jeff, man. That's some good stuff that you got going on here. And we want to thank you for taking the time to meet with us and talk about your company's development and its growth potential and how you look at the quality of the products that you provide. So if you want to get in contact with 5-Star Toy Company, you get in contact with Jeff here, or you can contact us through China Toy and Juvenile Product Association.